friends, Rotary in Mumbai, called as District 3141, is one of the premier Rotary districts in the world. And Rotary year 2021 is a very special year for Rotary, which is also called as Vision Year. In this year, we have started a novel concept called Viz Talks, an initiative to support Rotarians to support Rotary. And I, Dr. Manish Motwani, a weight loss surgeon and Chief Coordinator for Rotary District 3141 in 2021, would be your host for the day. Friends, the Viz Talks is a hot from oven initiative, brainchild of District Governor 2021 Sunil Mehra, to create more bonding, proximity amongst Rotarians on personal, Rotary and professional fronts. In these interviews, we speak to visionary Rotarians who, by virtue of their selfless work towards the community, have reached important decisive positions, and their actions today will help Rotary to serve more, to make a difference in the community. Friends, I have a very special friend today on this talk show, a Rotarian since 10 years of Rotary Club of Lokhandwala Kandivali, Rotarian Fanish Shetty. Friends, he's into the field of construction, absolutely grounded to earth, always intends to do good deeds in the best possible manner, and especially to the ones who suffer from hunger and are deprived of education due to financial difficulties. Friends, Rotary to him came accidentally, basically to channelize his desire of giving back to the society in a meaningful manner. So friends, it is my pleasure to present in front of you Rotarian Fanish Shetty, a man of integrity, a man of ethics, a man who wishes to serve the community to the best possible manner, and a very, very close friend. Here you are, friends, Rotarian Fanish Shetty.
Namaste. Thanks, Doctor, for so lovely words and kind words of yours. I don't know. I will say you said a lot about me. I don't know really. I can keep up to that. But anyway, thanks a lot.
Fanish, you have been a wow president. You were a president when we were the district secretaries, and we have seen you closely. We have seen every aspect of you as a person, as a Rotarian, as what you have been doing in business. We know you so well. And when you have been given such an important position this year, it has been after a lot of thought process, after knowing what is Fanish and how he can be of help to the community and as well to his fellow Rotarians. Friends, this year, Fanish is going to be taking care of 4 more clubs in Rotary District 3141, one of the strongest positions in Rotary, one of the most important positions in the Rotary District, and that is Assistant Governor, that is a friend, philosopher and guide to 4 more clubs to ensure that they work well, they work hard, they work in a strategic manner, they work with a direction to ensure that Rotary grows, Rotary serves the community, and our purpose of being in Rotary is served. So friends, and Fanish, with your consent, shall I proceed with asking you a few questions about you and yourself?
Sure.
Fanish, I have worked with you closely. You were one of my personal favorites. You are aware of that.
Yeah.
I know that you are a very hardworking person. I want to know that how have things evolved to you after 14-15? And we all also would like to know something about you in person, your family in person.
Well, 14-15 is a year to remember forever, because that changed entirely my perspective of Rotary. As everyone rightly says, like till you become president, you would never know how Rotary works. So that year, I learned a lot about Rotary, the kind of work that we take up in Rotary, and how really we can execute it effectively. Coming back to my personal front, I live with my family here in Lokhandwala Kandivali itself. I live with my parents. My father is a retired teacher. My wife is a general physician. And my son, who is in ICSE 10th board, is stuck in between 10th and 11th because they still have 4 pending papers to go. And he's Pradyut Shetty. And Anjali is my wife, the better half. So that's about my family here.
Fanish, no one is ever going to forget your role in pre-pets at the skit. But this is not what I'm going to speak about today. The talk here today, why you have been invited, is because you're a man with vision. You're a man with integrity. You're a man with a foresight, and you have worked effectively to ensure that your club during your presidential year grows much beyond anyone's expectations. This talk today is going to be heard by all the current presidents, all the incoming presidents, all the Rotarians of District 3141. We are also going to put this on social media so that non-Rotarians are going to also hear to this. So your responsibility today, which is there on your shoulders, is to motivate and inspire each Rotarian of District 3141 to work to their maximum capacity to come out winners. Your role today is also to ensure that at least 100 more non-Rotarian people get attracted towards Rotary and join hands with us in the path of service above self. So, Fanish, this is what your responsibility is, and I'm sure you're going to accomplish your responsibility with all the zeal and enthusiasm.
Definitely.
Fanish, we all Rotarians of Rotary District 3141 are trying to make a small group of all friends and families of Rotary, and we want to promote Rotarians amongst Rotarians. We want to support Rotarians to support Rotary. And for this purpose, we also want that each and every Rotarian should love to work with our fellow Rotarians, not just on personal front, not just in Rotary, but also in businesses. So I would like you to tell something about your business to the entire lot of people who are listening to you.
Like my career, in fact, I was always employed with an organization. So my career started being a bridge engineer for good 4 to 5 years. And thereafter, I took up assignment with Ready Mix Concrete. That's building material. We supply ready mix concrete to various places. That was multinational at one point of time. And then thereafter, it was taken over by Rahejas. And after serving long duration with Ready Mix Concrete, recently I started with a startup, and that startup is into construction as well as supply of building materials.
So this is good. So I hope after listening to this and knowing the type of person you are, there would be many people in Rotary also who would like to be tying up with you, and we will be more than happy if there are Rotarians who start tying up with Rotarians even at work level. Fanish, you know your position this year in Rotary is an extremely important position. It's an official position given by the Rotary International, that is Assistant Governor. Tell me something about your plans as Assistant Governor for 2021, how you would like to guide and help your clubs, and how do you plan to counter the challenge given by COVID-19?
This year, Vision Year, I have 4 clubs with me. So it's Rotary Club of Warsaw, then Mumbai Harmony, Jewels, and Mumbai West End. And along with that, I have my own club, which still requires some kind of grooming to a certain extent. So I'm club trainer with my Lokhandwala Kandivali club. So if I put it together, sum it up, it's not 4, it's 5 clubs for me. And and the thing is that, with these 4 clubs, my first priority would be to strengthen them, because there are few clubs in my fold, who needs hand-holding and mentoring to some certain extent. And I realized that if 103 clubs of ours in Rotary here, RID 3141, if we are able to strengthen them, then I'm sure that during COVID times also we can take up few challenging assignments and execute it effectively, because these clubs on their own can do multiple projects, and which we have seen like during COVID times, these people have been doing a lot of supply of meal, food packets, COVID kits and everything. So I think beyond that, we can definitely strengthen these clubs to look into another orbit apart from a regular thing that we have been doing, which could be the Rozgar Mela, which could be support to the migrant workers when they come back. Maybe their families could be supported with something like stitching or some kind of skill sets in vocational area. And more importantly would be the children who would be attending schools, because if these children of these migrant workers are forced to stay home because they are unable to afford them, then it would be difficult for all of us. So maybe, at this point, we will have to look into projects where we can have certain, subsidies or meal to these people, these children, so that they are attracted towards school and they really come back to school and, they continue with their studies.
Fantastic, Manish. So yes, something for migrant workers, something for education, something to feed the hungry. But there is one more very important aspect that I have noticed in whatever you have said is that you will not want any of your clubs to sit silent. And you have not taken COVID as a challenge, you have taken COVID as an opportunity to work. There are chances that you might have planned different projects for July and August or September, and you are now improvising and doing something else. But what I
Right.
see also is you are not lying down behind and taking things as they come. You are taking it as a opportunity and you are moving ahead positively and you want to find out alternate ways to serve the community. This is something great about you, Fanish, and I'm sure you are doing the same and imbibing the same qualities even in your fellow presidents and fellow Rotarians. So, Fanish, it was wonderful speaking to you. You have been a great motivator. Personally, I'm thrilled that you had taken up the opportunity to come to us, accepted the opportunity to come on this show, and I'm so happy that we had you over here and we could have a small chit chat and talk show with you. You have done what was required of you, motivated many, and I have thoroughly enjoyed being with you here. Hope you also had a good time with us, and thank you once again for your presence.
Thank you, Manish. It was wonderful talking to you. And I mean to say, as a friend as well as a mentor. Thanks a lot for inviting me here. Thank
Most
you very much. Thank you.